Hi, sorry about that. The video is only 15 minutes long, so I'm just gonna have to do another one just to go through the next part of it because I want to show you the arrays part. So I've the multiplication part. So I've put my addition at the top of this page here. I've got my arrays in a grid here, and I'm going to now look at the I've got a little helper with me as well now. So we're doing we're going to do the columns down. 1, 2, 3. So we've got 3 groups of, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 in each group, don't we? 3 groups of 4. And can you remember what Mrs. Cockram said? Instead of putting groups of to represent it as a symbol, we can put the multiplication symbol in the middle, okay? So it might help you first to write it as 3 groups of. Then we do 3 times 4. Okay, and if we're making it commutative and we want to change it the other way around, what could we do? We could also, I'm going to write it down first and then check it. So I'm going to write 4 times 3 because I'm just going to reverse it the other way around because it's commutative. And I'm just going to check that and go do my rows down and go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's right because I've got 4 rows and I've got 1, 2, 3 in each row, don't I? So I know that could be 4 times 3. And then I'm going to write the equals next to both of them, and I'm going to count them to check now. So I'm going to count my arrays here. I'm going to count them on here with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they must both be 12. What do we notice now about the addition sentences up here and the multiplication sentences down here? That's right, they both give you the same answer, don't they? They are both the same answer. Well done. Now I want you to have a go at this on your own. Write 2 multiplications for this array. Okay, that's what I want you to do completely on your own, and then you can check your answer with the answer sheet that is attached to this video. Then the next one for question 5, draw an array to show 7 times 3. So 7 groups of 3. 7 groups of 3. What I would suggest you do here is get some pasta and put them into 7 groups of 3, okay? I'm going to grab something now actually to show you. I haven't got pasta in this room, but I've just seen something that I could use to do 7 groups of 3, okay? I've just found these, they're Nora's. I'm going to use them. So I know I've got 7 groups. Okay, so I've got 7 groups, so I'm going to put out 7 of these. I'm going to put them out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7 groups, and I need 3 in each of them. So I'm going to make sure that each group's already got 3. I know it's already got 1 in, so I'm going to add 2 more to each group.
But your children don't know my name.
Yeah, they do know your name. Because I sometimes talk about you at school.
Yeah.
So I'm putting 2 now into each of my groups, okay? But this would be a good idea because, I mean, anything you've got in your house to use this just to help. So I've got 2 in each group. Now, when I've got that there and you can see that, you can then draw that, can't you? Just using simple dots and a grid if you wanted to. So I've got 7 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I've got 3 in each group, 1, 2, 3. So I've got 7 equal groups of 3, okay?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3.
Well done. So I want you to have a go at that.
I already know 2.
Okay, that's really good. So I want you to have a go at that one and to complete the number sentence that would match that number. And is there more than one way to draw that array? Because remember, we've got 7 groups, but could we also have it as 3 groups with 7 in maybe? Can you now draw 3 different arrays to show me 12? That's question 6. 3 different ways to show me 12. So 3 different arrays to show me 12, okay? You could draw stars, you could draw hearts, you could draw circles, you could just draw dots, okay?
Or you could draw pairs.
3 different ways to
Aww.
show me, or you could draw pairs, yeah, you could.
What
So
pairs are you on here?
there's 3 different ways
There's some
to
dots
show me
around
12,
as
okay? That's your last final challenge for this. I hope you've enjoyed this math lesson and doing it this way rather than the other videos. If you prefer the other videos, that's also fine. It's just finding the right way to make sure I'm explaining it the best way that I can, but definitely using
Mummy, you dropped one.
something so the
Mummy, you
children can
dropped one.
physically see it as well, making your groups of and your lots of and the times. It's a new concept, but we're spending the whole 2 weeks of this learning on this anyway, so it's just getting used to that understanding of what multiplication actually is. Okay, thank you for listening, and I shall see you later with another video. Okay, bye.